Admit it, you don't really enjoy cleaning your home. In fact, 44% of the population doesn't. But we all know it's necessary to tidy up every now and then. It's the deep cleaning that we like to procrastinate. So in this video, we're going to give you some of the reasons why deep cleaning is important and how you can do it without wrecking your nerves. Let's take a look. A deep clean. Now, there are two modes of cleaning: standard cleaning and deep cleaning. Standard cleaning consists of vacuuming, cleaning windows, mopping, removing general clutter, scrubbing toilets, washing the tub, and wiping down surfaces. But with a deep clean, you're going beyond the basics. For example, you're cleaning behind the kitchen appliances, beneath the sink, inside the oven, both sides of the window, the blinds, and behind the toilet. You get the idea. Next, let's dive into the benefits of conducting a full house cleanse. A healthier life. Could you imagine the amount of bacteria, dust mites, and mold you see? These contaminants can be harmful to your health, especially when it's left to fester. If you're not deep cleaning on a regular basis, then allergies, asthma flare-ups, and other respiratory issues can become an issue. Appliances last longer. By treating your home to a deep clean, your appliances will last longer. This includes your fridge, stove, oven, dishwasher, and other large appliances. Who doesn't want these expensive household items to last a few extra years? Exercise. You're not deep cleaning unless you're putting some elbow grease into it. Scrubbing, polishing, and moving objects will give you a good sweat. A strenuous half an hour of cleaning is a great way to stay active. It's a win-win. Deep cleaning in days. Life's busy, so it can be challenging to find the time to clean your house thoroughly. And going at it all in one day will only stress and tire you out. But if you set aside time over the course of a few days, you can breeze right through it. For instance, on day 1, you can focus on cleaning the bathrooms and the kitchen appliances. Day 2, you can target the blinds, windows, and cabinetry. Day 3, you can remove any leftover clutter in your closet, under the beds, and in other storage spaces. This is also a good time to dust all corners and surfaces. Stress-free deep cleaning. When you decide to deep clean, keep in mind that the idea is to attack all the areas you overlook during a regular cleaning. For instance, you want to trash whatever you don't use, clean windowsills and door frames, and wash out bins. Even the fans in the rooms and restrooms should be cleaned. No corner, surface, or room should be left out. Vacuum, mop, and wax all the floors and wipe down the walls to remove fingerprints, dirt, and stains. If you follow the advice in this video, you should find deep cleaning isn't so bad. However, if you think you need some practical help to get the job done, say no more. Hiring a professional cleaning service can save you time and the headache of doing this all yourself. You can schedule a cleaner to come by weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly to ensure your home always looks, smells, and feels great. If you'd like to hire a pro to clean your home, then stop by our site today.